What's up guys? Today's video is on the Apple iPad mini 6th Gen. Through extensive research and testing I put this, which will meet the needs of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product, I've included link in the description box down below which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Apple iPad mini 6th Gen powering your palm. Discover the ultimate blend of power and portability with the Apple iPad mini 6th generation. This compact marvel boasts an impressive 8.3-inch liquid retina display and is powered by the A15 Bionic chip. With features like a 12MP ultra-wide front camera with center stage, USB-C connectivity, and ultra-fast Wi-Fi, this iPad mini is designed for on-the-go productivity. Choose from 64GB or 256GB storage options, and unlock a world of possibilities with the Apple Pencil and Smart Folio accessories. Elevate your experience with advanced features like Touch ID, True Tone display, and powerful 12MP cameras. With a sleek design and top-tier performance, the iPad mini 6th Gen is the perfect companion for your daily adventures. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.